Om Swastiastu, I popped in early on the first day of the Ubud Food Festival here in Bali yesterday and bumped into my journalist friend covering the event, Pak Jed. So nice to see him and catch up. Lots of interesting stalls and demonstrations given by chefs from all over the world. Well, worth a visit for all foodies out there. Matur suksema.
And this one, the green caviar. Yeah.
Kita pakai pub sugar.
Thank you very much.